animal have problems, so you go to meet the vet to see or to check your dog or your cat, like your pet. You know your pet already, the animal that you feed them at home, and like for my dog, if my dog have problems, so I bring him to meet the vet to check what problem with him. He don't eat or he like feel not well somewhere. So vet is the doctor that take care of the animal. Okay, one more I want. Yeah. She is the one. She or he is the one who like cook the food, yeah, in a restaurant, or yes, in a restaurant or in a hotel like big, and she's always work there. She cook the food, she prepare the food for the guests, something like that. So what we call that job, yeah, in English, yes, okay, we call chef. Okay, CAEF. Okay, we call chef, right? Okay, so chefs, these always cook the food for you, or in the restaurant she always work there or he always work there. But I always see the man always work as the chef because he's very strong, right? Okay, so we call chef. Okay, one more. Okay, yeah, let's guess. She's always if the place in the company and like mess up something, so she's always clean that. Yes, sweep the floor and sweep the mirror to be cleaned. So what do you call that, everyone? Yes, so we call that cleaner. Okay, clean cleaner. Yeah, she work hard, everyone. The cleaner, she work hard. Yeah, she work hard because that's why teacher said she work hard because she always clean, she always wipe up, she always is mop the floor to be clean, she always clean the toilet, the bathroom, everywhere that got be dirty. So she or he, we call that cleaner. Okay, and yeah, teacher have more. Okay, we have the word uh yeah, and like he or she is like always have like in very big problem, like have something, building is have fire. Yes, so what you call that man? Yeah, yeah, firefighter, right? Okay,